Located at number 6 North Pingtu Road, Luoyang High-Tech Industrial Development Zone, Hunan Province, China, Hunan Yishi Technology and Service Company Limited was founded in 2018, specializing in the production of medical face masks and personal protective equipment with 2 mask brands, Inherent and EU. As a large-scale mask manufacturer, EC covers an area of 137,000 square meters, of which 100,000 level purification workshops cover 25,000 square meters. There are about 6,500 employees, including more than 500 R&D and quality control personnel, and more than 1,000 technical personnel and position elites. Face masks manufactured by our company are sold all over the world, with comprehensive coverage of China, North America, Europe, South America, and other countries and regions. EC has 150 sets of automatic KN95 FFP2 production lines and more than 200 sets of 3-ply mask production lines. The daily output of 3-ply masks reached 20 million, and the daily output of KN95 FFP2 masks is more than 6 million, which can quickly meet the product demands of different customers with the top efficiency in the industry. Upholding the respect for life and the pursuit of credibility, EC has established and continuously improved its scientific and strict management system, strictly controlling every manufacturing process. Focusing on the non-bacterial production of masks, the company has established and rigidly enforced a high-standard manufacturing process and carried out the 100,000 level purification workshop standard in its manufacturing location. Through continuous breakthroughs with excellent product quality, the company is initiating the unremitting pursuit of higher standards. So far, EC has got ISO 13485 Medical Devices Quality Management System certification, ISO 9001 International Quality Management System certification, and ISO 14001 Environmental Management System certification. The company's products have obtained multi-country qualification certifications, including the European Union CE certification, the United States FDA registration, KC supplier compliance mandatory requirements, Russia EAC exemption, Austria ARTG registration certification, BSCI social responsibility certification, etc. The company also owns the export qualification of Chinese medical devices, which can widely meet the needs of customs clearance and sales for overseas customers. These achievements also prove and continuously drive EC to forge ahead on the road of high standards and demanding products. Add happiness to the world with a sense of responsibility to protect the life, health, and safety of all mankind. EC is keenly aware of the mission on its shoulders. As a striver with enthusiasm for life, we will, as always, bring win-win cooperation for our customers with quality, speed, and efficiency, and bring joy to the whole world with our mission, competence, and commitment.